Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Dropbox paper to Trello, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser. Navigate to the Dropbox paper website. Sign in to your Dropbox account if prompted. Once you're in Dropbox paper, locate or create the document you want to connect to Trello. Next, open a new tab in your web browser. Go to the Trello website. Log in to your Trello account. Select the board where you want to link Dropbox paper. Within your Trello board, find the card you want to attach the Dropbox paper document to. Click on the card to open its details. In the card details, look for the option to add an attachment. Select the Attach a Link option. Now, return to your Dropbox paper document. Highlight the document's URL in the address bar. Copy the URL by right-clicking and selecting Copy. Go back to your Trello card. Paste the Dropbox paper URL into the provided field. Add any additional comments or details if needed. Click on the Attach button to complete the process. Your Dropbox paper document is now connected to your Trello card. To access it, simply click the attached link in the Trello card. Repeat these steps for any other documents you want to connect. This integration allows you to keep your tasks organized while benefiting from Dropbox paper's collaborative features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.